Welcome back. Now, one of the things you can do for subscribers that may have missed some of your email broadcasts is to provide them an archive. And every autoresponder company does this differently within the settings of a specific audience or list. If we go into MailChimp and we look in the sign up forms and we were to look for the broadcast archive, we would go into their form builder. We would then select it. And what we would do is we would use this drop down menu to find the archive URL. And what we can do here is you'll see that we have the campaign archive page. That's going to give you a URL. And we can redesign the form if we want to. And we can make it so that we only show campaigns in a specific folder if that is relevant. However, in this case, it is not. All we'll need to do here is we'll need to copy the URL. And then we'll need to pass that URL on to our customer. They'll then have the opportunity to read past emails. Now, the MailChimp email archive displays links to the 20 most recent campaigns. So that is something that you'll want to be aware of. It's not going to be all of your past campaigns. It's going to be the 20 most recent. If you choose to do this inside of Aweber, what you'll notice here is that there is what's called a newsletter hub. Now, there's no limit on the number of newsletters that you can make available using your newsletter hub or the URL with all of your past emails or newsletters. You can choose within Aweber to include a sign up form or you can exclude the form. And your customer will see the archive along with a place to sign up for the email or newsletter. So regardless of which autoresponder company you use, you can look for an email campaign archive to make available to your customers so that they'll be able to read past emails. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.